Hello, my dear students. We are towards the end of the topic. So here we are going to see the animals. We are going to categorize the animals depending upon their eating habits. If you know animals are of different kinds, you must be looking at your pet at your home. They have different eating habits. Some like to eat only the food that you give. Like if you have a dog, it feeds on pedigree. You must read the ingredients, whether it is made up of plant source or animal source. So here also we are going to categorize the animal depending upon their eating habit. The first one to list is herbivores. If you see all the animals right in front of you, they are feeding themselves on plants. You can see plants around them, right? So animals which eat only plant are called as herbivores. Here you can see sheep, zebra, giraffe, cow, even elephant. It has a special teeth designed to consume the grass, right? And they have special digestive system to digest this plants or grass, you can say. Cow has a special digestive system, that is ruminant. It has a special digestive system to digest the grass. Okay, so the animals which eat only plants are called as herbivores, and because of the specific characters, it is possible for them to consume plants and digest it. Okay, so cow, goat, sheep, zebra, giraffe, and cow are your herbivores. We go to the next that are carnivores. You can see the big king of the jungle sitting in front of you, lion. The new movie was in trend, Lion King. You must have seen how this animal depended, how in the forest the animals are dependent on other animals for their food, right? So animals which eat flesh of other animals are called as carnivores. Even they have specialized teeth which help them to tear the flesh of other animals. They have strong claws. Okay, now here you see lion, tiger, fox, wolf, even shark feeds itself on small fishes, so it becomes a carnivore. So the animals which eat flesh of other animals are called as carnivores. Okay, so herbivores and carnivores, you can clearly distinguish between them. So you have herbivores wherein they eat only plants as their food, and carnivores, they eat flesh of other animals, only flesh of other animals. They are called as carnivores. We have the third category, that is omnivores. We the human beings, we eat both plants as well as animals. So we are categorized into omnivores, correct? Both, eating both plants as well as animals. Few human beings, depending upon their eating habits, they consume only plants, correct? That we call them vegetarians. Few are non-vegetarians which consume both, correct? So here omnivores is eating both. Like for example, even hen here, it eats insects as well as it feeds on cereals and pulses, which is plant source. So it is called as an omnivore. All the animals listed here are omnivores. One of the bird that is listed here is also an omnivore. It is also called as a scavenger. It can be listed into both the categories because it feeds itself on dead and decaying organic matter of the animals. Dead and decaying animals, right? It feeds on dead and decaying animals. So it is called as a scavenger, that is crow. Are you getting my point? So first, omnivores are the animals which eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. For example, you have hen here, you have rat, you have dog, bear, pig, and crow. Crow is also categorized into scavengers. Scavengers are the one which feed themselves on dead animals. Okay, my dear students. So we have categorized animals into the category of three, that is herbivores, plant-eating animals, carnivores, flesh-eating animals, and omnivores, that is eating both plants as well as animals. So here we complete the chapter, my dear students. I hope you all have understood. We have shared some worksheets with you. I hope you all will solve them and send it to us. I will also send the assignment to you. Please solve, and if there is any query, get back to us. Thank you, my dear students.